my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you all my recommendations for the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, which is starting from 24th of November and the sale will end on 28th of November if I'm not wrong. Also, before getting into the video, I quickly want to mention that in this video I mostly have recommendations for body care and skincare products, and if you want to know more about makeup products, then I think you should definitely check onto this video. On that video I have shared more of makeup products. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Alright, so starting off the recommendations with my most favorite, or I would say recent favorite product, which is this one this is the Plum Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Oil. I have been really loving this oil recently. Now during the winter months my skin tends to go a little bit more dry, and I do get some dry patches around this area, on my cheek area and all of that stuff. Even though it says it's a oil, it's not that heavy. I have acne prone skin, but this oil did not clog up my pores whatsoever, and this is very lightweight. And after using this oil, ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने इसको बस रात में लगाया था एंड द नेक्स्ट डे आई वोक अप विथ नो ड्राई पैचेस ऑन माई फेस. आई हैव नोटिस दैट आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस ऑयल माई स्किन टेंड्स टू फील and look much more plump and hydrated and much more healthy, I would say. And also during the winter months मेरे अंडर आइज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाते हैं, बट आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस ऑयल, ओ माई गॉड, my skin has just transformed and I have been really loving how my skin has been looking recently. So yes. Okay, so since we're talking about dry patches, dry skin and stuff, I quickly want to mention another product that has helped me with my dry patches as well. So I'm talking about this one. This is the Dharmako 15% AHA and 1% BHA Beginner Face Peeling Solution. Now I have been using this product for, I would say, 2 months, and I have seen a huge difference, to be very honest. Now I had like a lot of छोटे छोटे bumps on my face, especially on this area, because this is like my acne prone area. So that's probably why you see a lot of acne marks on this area. But after using this I have noticed that वो जो छोटे छोटे bumps थे ना, those have just gone. I also had like dead what do we call it, whiteheads on this area, and I have seen a difference in that as well. This is how it looks like. It is like in this kind of a reddish orangish kind of a color, and it is actually a little bit on the thicker side. It's like not transparent, if you can see. So you are supposed to use this after washing your face. Just apply it on dry skin, keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off with normal water or lukewarm water, and then continue your skincare with after doing this. And also do this in the night time, do not do it during the daytime. So moving on to the next product, and that is something that I have been loving as well for my body, and I'm talking about this one. This is the Mcaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. Now before talking about the product itself, let me quickly talk about the smell of this product. Now if you are a coffee lover and you love the smell of coffee, you're gonna freaking fall in love with this product, with the smell of this product, to be very specific. Now after applying this product, you're gonna smell like a Starbucks coffee, and trust me, I love that because I love the fragrance of coffee. However, if you don't like the smell of coffee, you might want to stay away from this product because it's actually a pretty strong fragrance, and that fragrance actually stays on your body as well. So yeah, it's like this kind of a body oil. So you also get like these coffee beans in there, and it smells like delicious, and it's a little bit, I would say, a little bit on the heavy side. It's like a little bit thick, however it does not feel greasy. Now after applying this oil, you definitely want to make sure that you apply like a thick moisturizer or lotion on top of this, because that's gonna help to lock in all the moisture and nourishment into your skin as well. इसके साथ ही इसका और एक बॉडी बटर भी आता है. However, I would say you can probably skip on to that body body butter, but you can definitely check onto this one, because body butter जो है I did not find it to be too nourishing or moisturizing for my body, but this one is beautiful. Alright, so moving on to the next product, and I did not expect this product to work so well for me, but it did. So I repurchased this one. This is the Vaadi Herbals foot cream with clove oil and sandalwood. Let me be very honest, I don't like the smell of this product, but the results are really good, so that's why I repurchased this. Now this one is the smaller version of it. इसका और एक bigger version भी आता है. It's for I think 175 grams or something like that. This one is for 50 rupees and you get around like 30 grams in this product, but trust me, little goes a long way. And I also sometimes use this product as my hand cream as well because it works. So yeah, I really like this one, and a little goes a long way, so you definitely don't need a lot of product. So that's why this product, even though it's a small tube, it lasts for a really long time. So moving on to my recent purchase from Nykaa, and it has turned out to be my favorite product already, and I am talking about this one. This is the Batiste instant hair refresh dry shampoo. Now I have been eyeing this product for a really long time, and when I say really long time, I mean like 2-3 years. So this product has been on my wish list for a really long time, and then I just one day I realized that I need this product in my vanity because I get like a lot of greasy scalp का problem, so that's why I needed this one in my life, and इसी की बस कमी थी. Also after using this spray, your scalp does not get greasy at least for 2 days. If you are thinking that ये white cast छोड़ देगा and you are thinking to buy the brown one, then I think save some money and get your hands on this one because it does not leave any kind of white patches at all. So yes. Moving on to another body care product that I have been really loving, and I am talking about this one. This is the Plum Body Loving Gel Body Scrub, and this one is in the variant Driving Me Cherry. And I love the smell of this product. It smells so good and delicious. Only thing that I don't like about this product is the packaging of it, because I would have preferred it to be a tube packaging, because this way it gets a little bit messy. As you can see कि cap में भी पूरा scrub लगा हुआ है, and you have to dip your hands in this and then apply it on your body. अगर packaging को ignore किया जाए, I love the product because see, if you can see, it's like in this kind of a gel form, and the beads that it has in it are really, like it's gritty, but at the same time it's very gentle on the skin as well. So as I said that मुझे यहाँ पे dead skin का problem हो गया था, so these two are the products that help me to remove all of that dead skin from my body. So I have been really loving this one, and after using this scrub, your skin is going to feel very smooth. However, your skin is not going to feel like greasy, because I have used few body scrubs जो use करने के बाद you feel like very greasy kind of a feeling, which is something that I don't like. This huge tub is going to last you for a really long time, and anyways you are not going to be using this every single day, so at least once a week थोड़ा सा ही लगता है, little goes a long way and you're just good to go. Now the last skincare product that I'm talking about is not with me right now, but I'm talking about the Loreal Extraordinary oil serum, and I am definitely planning to get my hands on that serum as well. Now usually क्या होता है, whenever I apply any kind of hair serum, it weighs my hair down, because since my hair is very fine and thin, so I can't use very heavy products, so I don't prefer using a lot of serums. But after using that serum, I fell in love with, because first of all it smells amazing. It smells really good and fresh, and it's not greasy at all. It's very lightweight, and you don't even feel like you have applied some kind of serum, but at the same time your hair looks very silky and smooth. At the same time, it instantly gives that like smoothing effect to your hair, so you definitely want to check that out. Okay, now moving on to a few of the makeup products that I have for you, and I think like I have 3 or 4 products. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, everyone's favorite. Now the reason why I am sharing this product with you guys is because this is like an investment piece, and ये सेल में आपको बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट में भी मिल रहा है, and I got this one for like around 2 or 3 years ago, and still after using it for on a regular basis, I would say, because I do film videos and I always go back to this powder, so I still have this much left. And for a loose powder इतना product भी बहुत ही होता है because बहुत कम ही लगता है, तो so I would definitely tell you to get your hands on this one if you find your shades, because shade range is the only problem with this one. I would recommend that don't use this with damp sponge, use this with brush, because damp sponge के साथ use करने के बाद I have seen that it looks a little bit like cakey and dry, but whenever you use it with a brush, it looks much more finely milled and smooth and blurred out, which is beautiful. Okay, now moving on to another base product that I have for you, and I don't know why I feel like I have talked about this product earlier, but I again wanted to talk about it because I have been loving this one. This is the Lakmé 925 Perfect Plus Matte Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. Wow, that was a mouthful of name. I am in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. However, this is not my winter shade, this is my summer shade, but I like to use this during the winter months. I just mix it up with my other foundations and just apply it. Now this has like a very moussey lightweight kind of formula. You can use this like a sheer foundation. At the same time, you can again build it up to like medium to full coverage, and it lasts for really long. It does not oxidize on my skin as well. It has got like a good range of shade variety, but the only thing is I don't like the packaging because it comes in this kind of a spatula thingy which gets really messy, and every time I use this foundation I feel like I'm gonna drop the foundation on my outfit. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. But anyways, so it has like I would say very skin like formula, like कोई matte foundations इतने matte होते हैं ना that it looks very artificial, it does not look skin like, but whenever I use this, it has like a matte finish. However, you do get like that glow from within kind of a look. It's not dewy, but it's not super matte as well, if you know what I mean, right? Okay, so moving on to the last product, and this is something that you should definitely check your hands during the sale because अभी sale में बहुत अच्छे discounts चल रहे हैं. This is the one that I'm talking about. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. This lipstick during this mask era is a blessing because it stays under your mask as well. One thing I would say that अगर आप lip balm के ऊपर इसको लगाओगे then it doesn't stay, but if you prep your lips really well and then just wipe off the lip balm and then apply this lipstick, this is going to stay forever on your lips and not going to budge whatsoever. And अभी तो wedding season भी आ गया है, Christmas बहुत कुछ आने वाला है, festivities are just starting off, so you definitely wanna have at least one shade from this range. So yes, I think with that we have come to an end of this video. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful, and if you did then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.